In this tutorial I will show you how to fix notifications not showing on iPhone. Having trouble with notifications not appearing on your iPhone? Whether it's Netflix or any other app, here are some simple steps to help you fix the issue. Check focus mode. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Make sure focus mode is turned off. Tap it to disable, and long press to check if other focus modes are also active. Turn them all off if needed. Adjust notification settings. Open the Settings app and scroll down to tap on Notifications. At the top, choose how notifications are displayed. You can tap on Show Previews and set it to Always so notifications appear clearly on your screen. App-specific notification settings. Scroll down in the Notifications menu to find the specific app that's not sending alerts. Tap on the app and ensure Allow Notifications is turned on. You can also customize the alert style, sound, and lock screen appearance. Perform a force restart. If nothing else works, try a force restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side power button until the Apple logo appears. This resets the system and can resolve software glitches. And that's it. Your iPhone should now start showing notifications properly again.